Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Benjamin, and please forgive me for my bad English, but English is not my main language. I'm from Austria, but I think you will understand what I have to say. Okay, let's start. In this video I will show you how to create these clickable banners on your blog, on your WordPress blog, like this one here on the side. If I click to this banner, it links me to a landing page. Okay, and I show you now how to create this very easy. First, you have to log in to your WordPress blog and then go to posts. Please, sorry, my WordPress is in German, but I think in the English language it here is posts, I think. Posts, and then create a new post. Then you have to click here to insert image or insert media, and you can grab images from your Mediathek, it calls in German, or from your computer. It's not a big thing. I take this one, insert, and now that's your image. You can look to the image visible or text. Here you can see the HTML code. Every image has an HTML code, and it is generated for you, and it's ready. All you have to do is go back to visually, then click on this image, and then go to insert link. When you click here, then you can here insert every link you want. You can send your customer everywhere you want. You can click here. What I do, I show you. Let me think a little bit. Okay, I think I link this to YouTube. HTTP. Okay. And when I click here, I can look to my post. When I click to the image now, it sends me to YouTube. Perfect. That's it. And you can grab the HTML code. Moment, I go back here. Go back to the post. When you click here on text, that's the new HTML code. All you have to do is grab this code, copy and paste. Then go to widgets. And all you have to do is grab where is it? One moment. Okay, here, grab this text here, drop it, and go back here. You can insert this here. Click this little arrow, and here you can insert your HTML code. Paste, save, and now let's look. Let's take a look. That's the new banner, and when I click on this banner, it links me to YouTube. Yeah, that's it. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, click like, and leave me a comment. And yes, I hope I see you on the next video. Bye. Okay, my friend, please wait a minute. I'm just curious. Would it be okay for you to learn how to generate 28 leads a day for your business? If it's okay for you, then click directly on this banner or type in the web address www.benjaminbible.at/masteryleads. Do it now.